Everyone, it was 4 years ago this month during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic that kids nationwide began going to school online to learn. The thought was that it would keep students safe without decreasing the quality of education. But the numbers we see now show that's not exactly how it worked out. A study led by researchers at Harvard and Stanford found school districts that spent most of the 2020-2021 school year remote saw students fall more than half a grade behind in math, and national test scores from spring 2023 show that students 3rd through 8th grade overall have not quite rebounded from what they lost in mathematics. Experts say districts need to boost funding for tutoring and summer school to get some of those numbers back up. Now to our 12 News Verify. Today we are asking the expert about several viral videos circulating online that claim to improve the way we look and feel. So Dr. Natasha Bouillon with One Medical Group is back to weigh in on 3 specific clips. So welcome back, Doc. We want to start with the first one regarding red light therapy and its alleged benefits. So let's take a look at the clip.
Did you know if you use red light therapy, it can produce new collagen, alleviate depression, rejuvenate skin, help with chronic pain, and much, much more?
Okay, that's a lot of benefits for a red light therapy
It
mask.
seems like a miracle cure-all. That's partly true. So we've known for years that red light therapy is great for wound healing. And the reason why is red light can actually help activate mitochondria in our cells. What we're learning now is red light is actually helpful for skin benefits. So it can help the collagen in our cells. And so that can help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, even people who have redness from acne, inflammation from acne. Doing a red light mask is beneficial. Now here's the catch.
Yes.
Not all red light masks are created the same. And they can range from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars. So you want to buy the right one with the right wavelength and the right intensity. And then the other catch is, while it helps skin, it doesn't have many other benefits. And so the research shows it doesn't help improve your mood, it doesn't help with back pain, and so it'll make your skin glow and look great, but doesn't have other benefits.
Okay, so read the fine print before purchasing. Okay, we've got another one here. This is another mix-in. It seems like a lot of these superfood powders are making waves and growing in popularity, but Bovine colostrum. We're gonna watch the clip and then ask about the benefits here. Listen.
So I hopped on the colostrum train just like everybody else on the internet right now. And I went with the Wonder Cow brand basically because it is like family owned and operated, which I highly respect. I also read that it was like the highest concentration you can buy compared to that other brand that was like going viral. If you don't know what colostrum is, basically it's nature's superfood. It's good for like your gut health, immune support, restorative sleep, hair, skin, nails, mood, energy. I mean, it does it all.
These seem like cure-alls.
It seems like a miracle milk, right? And you know, here's the thing, colostrum is actually really beneficial to humans. So colostrum is the milk that's made early on after mom has a baby. And in cows, it's for calves. And so colostrum is really beneficial because it's really rich in antibodies. But here's the catch. We are using antibodies for humans, not necessarily for cows.
Right.
And so
there's a distinction.
There's a distinction there. And so the research that we've done from bovine colostrum, we find that it can help gut health. So if people are having indigestion, it can help with indigestion, it can help with loose stools, but really that's where the benefits end. You know, I have patients asking me all the time, can it help with athletic performance or my hair or my skin? And really there's no evidence that bovine colostrum helps with any of that, really just gut health.
Okay, so stay with us here. So far, we can verify that red light therapy works to make your skin glow and that bovine colostrum helps with gut health. But lastly, we do want to take a look at this clip that's catching attention. Listen to this one.
Let's talk about why you should be taping your mouth shut every single night before you go to bed. Breathing through your mouth contributes to a host of issues, including bad breath, gum disease, cavities, brain fog, and a weakened immune system. There are so many more, and most people, myself included, breathe through their mouths at night. Taping your mouth shut before bed completely prevents that. I'm not kidding. You will have the best sleep of your entire life. I can no longer sleep without it, but I do have to remind you, please get actual mouth tape. Don't just put regular tape on your mouth, but it is so easy. It doesn't come off overnight, and you're going to have the best sleep ever. Follow for more.
Okay, so hard pass on the duct tape as an option, but maybe not even at all.
You know, here's the thing. Mouth breathing is actually our backup breathing at night. And so this trend is actually dangerous because if we're not able to breathe through our nose because you have sleep apnea or nasal polyps, you need
allergies.
Yeah, exactly, or congestion, you need to be able to breathe through your mouth. And so that's a backup. Now here's the thing. breathing through your nose is better because you humidify the air, you can filter allergens, but there are other ways to train yourself to breathe through your nose when you're sleeping, like sleeping on your side or daytime meditation practices, but mouth taping is not the way to train yourself to breathe through your nose.
Okay, so last but not least, we can verify, no, mouth tape is not going to necessarily give you the best sleep of your life.
No, skip that one.
Dr.